Alrighty guys, in this tutorial we're going to talk about Google Art Project and how to search for images, create galleries to save your images in, and then share that gallery with me through Schoology. So first thing we're going to do is get to Google Art Project. The website's pretty long, so the easiest thing to do is just to do a Google search for Google Art Project. It's always the first thing that pops up, and click on that. When you sign in, or get signed in, make sure that you're using your school email. If you've already done other stuff with Google, you should already be automatically signed in up here in the right hand corner. It'll have your school email account up there. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to create a gallery. Right next to your username is a button that says My Galleries. Click on that, and we're going to make a new blank gallery. Whatever assignment you're making the gallery for, title it whatever I ask you to in the assignment. So in this case, we'll do Elements and Principles in Sculpture, and click on Save. Now that we've made our gallery, we want to save some pieces of artwork to it. So we need to do some searches. The search menu is pretty great. You can search by lots of different things. Over here on the left-hand side, you can search by different collections from different museums. You can search by medium. You can search by event, by place, all these different things. If you're not sure what category things come into, and maybe you want to search for a certain subject matter, like flowers, you could type in flowers, and lots of different options will come up. And it will tell you things over here. So events that have to do with flowers, exhibits that have to do with flowers, and then lots of different things that use the word flowers as a search term. So once you decide that you've found a piece of artwork you would like to keep, this is an interesting sculpture, we'll keep this one, you're looking for this little plus sign. So this little plus sign is how you save an item to later add to your gallery. So you're going to click on that little plus sign, and you'll notice that down here on the bottom, it added it to my saved items. From here, once I would collect a few that you want to add to your gallery. Once you've collected a few, go back to your gallery with this little Back to Gallery button, and you can drag any of your saved items up in here. Most of the time when I assign you to create a gallery, I'm going to want you to write about each item that you choose. To write about each item, you're going to click on this edit, and you're going to add a caption. So to add a text caption, you can click this little button right here, type whatever the caption is going to be, click on Save, and then now whenever I look at that picture, that caption will go along with it. Alright, we'll add a few more things here. Oh, I already did that one. And we'll say that I am done with this gallery. So we're going to go back. We've got our items saved. Oop, I added them to the wrong spot. Here we go. So I've got everything I want in my gallery, and now I want to save it in a way that I can share it. So the first thing we want to do is turn it off of private. Up here on the top right, there's a button called Private. Click on that, and we want to make sure that it now says Public. It might take a little bit to make it public, so you are going to have to turn this in early enough before class or before I grade it, so it has time to become public, so keep that in mind. And we could either view it in Site or preview it, takes it to the same place. And from here, this is where you are going to send me the link. So once you preview it or view it in Site, and you are looking at the gallery itself and can flip through the pictures, that is the link that you want to send me on Schoology. So you're going to send that link in to me on Schoology the same way you would send a Weebly link to me. That is how to use Google Art Project and create galleries and share them. Again, if you have any questions, make sure to let me know before the assignment is due.